Mga lods, ano kaya problema nito? Hindi umiilaw yung dashboard. Pag inon, wala rin. No crank, no start. Pag nakakabit yung battery nito, bago na yung battery. Ito na mga idol. From blackout to may display na ulit. Yung immobilizer normal blink na. Ang lupit mo, Boss Art. Work of art. Try natin i-open kung mag-on na. The moment of truth. On. Yun. Okay. Try ko i-start. Hindi to nag-start ng ilang araw. We'll see. Yun! Thank you, Boss Art. Thank you, Lord. Problem solved. The best. Highly recommended ka talaga, boss. Iba ka. Thank you so much. God bless.